Hello guys, this is Deva from 3D Vlogs. This is part 9 in Space Invaders using PYGAME. So today we are going to add some sounds when we hit the player. So let us do that. So first of all, I am going to make a function after this define score. So define play sound. So and after that we will add a colon. Okay, now what we will do is that there is a module in PyGame, it is called mixer. So we will initialize that. So PyGame dot mixer dot init, and it will initialize the mixer module. So let us load a sound inside this game. So let us do that. So I searched on the Google and I got a sound and I renamed that, and I hope you can hear this. This is the sound. So let us add that and let us see the path of it. Wait, and click on details and storage / emulated 0 coding sound. So this is the path of the music file. So let us go back to the PyDroid 3 and add the music. So let us do that. And this is the statement that we use to load a music file from the device. So it is pygame.mixer, and it is here mixer.music.load, and inside that we will pass the path of the music file. So let us give it the and surrounded with double quotes, and the path is storage / emulated / 0 / and inside this I have created a folder coding, and inside that there is another folder that is sounds, and inside that there is our music file shoot sound. It is a WAV file, so be sure to don't miss any spaces and dots, and we are done. Now we need to play this. So in order to play that, we will use this statement. In order to play the music, we need another statement I said, that is pygame dot mixer dot music dot play. I spell that right. And if we leave it blank and no values inside it, it will play only once. It is same for 0. And if we give -1, it will play infinitely. So the numbers we put, it will play for that much times. So I'm going to leave it as empty as that. So let us run the app. The game. And here we can hear the sound. One more thing. And one more thing, we should call that every time the bullet hits the enemy, and I have already called that. And also for the second level, play sound like that. Okay, now let us run that again and let us hear the sound. And here we have the proper sound. So I'm going to add some more levels, and there will be only one more session on this tutorial. After that we will end the series. So now let us add a line almost at this space, because when the enemies come appropriately along this line, it should end the game, or it will show game over on the screen. So let us add that on the game. So in Python, especially in Pygame, we use this statement, that is pygame dot draw dot line, and inside that, the same way like a rectangle, let us see that, and inside a rectangle, where is it? and only we are splitting it on the screen. Where is that place where we draw that enemy, and here we initialize that, and here we are actually making it we are not actually drawing that on the screen, but we are making a surface. So I will show you how to draw a line. So first of all, we should pass in the window statement, that is the surface, main surface. After that, the color. So it is a game over line. So we will add a red color, 25 0 0, and after that we should pass in about 4 parameters. The first 2 parameters which is enclosed in the first parenthesis is the the starting point of the line, starting point x and y coordinate, and the second group of parenthesis is for the ending point of the line. So the starting point of the line, it is the y coordinate. I will give 800 and the x coordinate is 0, and in the ending point we will need a y coordinate, again 800, and the width of this mobile is 720 pixels. And let us see how it looks. It's not working. It didn't came on the screen because we actually inverted the x and y coordinates. It should be 0, 800 and followed by 720 and 800, and probably, and one more statement, it is the width of the line. So I am going to give 5 pixels and it should be working by now. And here we go, we got the line, and I think it is a little bit high, so let us change 800 to 1000 or 900. I will go for 900, maybe 950, that will be right. So 950, the same thing over here, 950. Okay, so, and one more thing we need to do is that if the enemy crosses that line, we should end the game, like this exit. So let us also do that, and also adding that is also very simple, and we will add a new condition at here. If invaders, I think yes, invaders dot rect dot y is greater than, and the height we give is 9. Oh, what is 9500? Not, it is 950. Where is, if it is greater than 950 minus, and we should decrease the height from the border deadline, otherwise it will not be accurate as that. So the height of the bullet, sorry, the enemy is about, wait a minute, it is 25 pixels. So minus 25 pixels. If it reaches greater than 25 pixels, we will exit the game. After that, in the next tutorial, we will change all these to game modes and we will again restart the game. So let us see how the game looks, and I am going to copy that from the first level first also. So sorry, level second, here it is. I think there is a problem with indentation. Now it should be working fine. So let us see. I am not going to shoot any bullets, only one, to make that sure that it's working, and let it hit the line. Let us see why it's not working. Oh, I got it. We are only checking that condition if it hits the enemy. So let's cut that and paste it here. The same thing, here. Cut this statement and run this game again. Only 2 bullets and let it hit the leg. And yep, it's working fine. So in the next tutorial I will be adding some more levels. I will not be showing that, and we will add a boss to the game, and we will end the tutorial session there. So bye bye, see you soon.